Today's book is Caveat Emptor and Other Advice for Philatelists by Michael Dodd of cddstamps.com. Michael is also the General Secretary of the Internet Philatelic Dealers Association. In this book, Michael presents a roadmap for navigating around the many potholes and landmines strewn across the philatelic sales landscape. Using many color photos to illustrate his points, he shows you what to look for in stamp listings, images, and descriptions to help you avoid disappointment in your stamp purchases. He discusses false catalog values shown in listings, as well as fake % off sales. The book is available as a printed paperback or as an ebook through his website, cddstamps.com. Look for the link in the description below